Hey guys, it's Ifiak here, and in the next few minutes of this video, I'm going to wow you with a quick demo of our brand new ClientFinda app. Now, ClientFinda is the world's most advanced lead generation technology, powered by artificial intelligence, natural language programming, and machine learning. Without any of the big words, ClientFinda is a breakthrough app that automatically finds you laser-targeted buyer leads in any niche using AI-assisted deep search and in only 3 steps. Here's how it works. Simply answer a few questions about your business, like the kind of services or products you sell, your niche, your target location, product's price range, etc. And our AI wizard gets to work and conducts an AI-assisted deep search to generate laser-targeted buyer leads that most likely need your services and as such pre-qualified to buy from you. So with this, the era of chasing dead leads or trying to sell the wrong services or products to the wrong businesses is finally over. Now, how cool is that? Take, for instance, this business right here. Currently has an unclaimed Google My Business listing. So imagine you make contact and then educate them on why it's important to have their GMB location claimed, especially in this era of increased online usage where everybody literally lives online. Once they are sold on the benefits, pitch them on an offer to help set it up for a fee, and boom! What will you call such an offer? I'd call it an irresistible offer, because that will be you selling your customers only what they truly need. This will single-handedly boost your conversion, increase your happy client base, and generate more revenue and profits for your business almost effortlessly. All right, now let me show you how you too can generate such quality leads in any niche and in only 3 steps. Step 1. Add a new project and target your ideal audience by answering just a few questions. Enter the business name, choose the niche you want to target, select target country, select target state or city. Yeah, it's that precise. Enter a brief description of your product or service. Then finally, select the price range of your product or service, and you are good to go. Immediately, the AI wizard gets to work, carries out a deep search to bring out only those businesses and leads in your selected niche that are the most likely to need your help and ready to buy from you. Step 2. View results of businesses that are most likely to buy your services. As you can see, a lot of data has been pulled up about each of the leads generated. Now, these are super relevant information that'll help you properly craft and optimize your offer to fit your client's specific needs. Imagine knowing more about a client's problem than the client himself. Selling and closing will be a breeze. As you can see, you can tell clients that have a website from those that don't. You could even view the website to learn more about the client's business or review the site for possible optimization recommendations. You get the prospect's email address and phone number, detailed advertising data about your lead, and other key information as you can see right here. These deep search results cover location and niche of businesses, their social media profiles, their online reviews, Google My Business status, Facebook and Google ad pixels on their website and domain details, and lots more. Plus, they are powered by artificial intelligence, natural language processing, and machine learning, ensuring 99.99% accuracy. And finally, step 3. Reach out, close clients, and profit massively. Does the lead have a mobile responsive website? You'd see it right here. If not, you can offer your expertise and get paid. You can even go ahead to check out the website and learn more stuff about the lead. All right, awesome. This one has an ADA compliance widget active. So this means they already understand the importance of being ADA compliant. This makes them an easy sell. So what if you could offer them a better ADA optimization deal? And if a business isn't compliant or doesn't have an optimization widget active, that makes them viable leads for that service tool. Does the website have an active SSL, a custom favicon, etc.? If not, these are all services you can offer for top dollar. Also, you have a detailed analysis of leads that run paid ads. The ad medium identification is done for you across platforms: Facebook, Messenger, Instagram, AdWords. Based on their brand needs and preferences, you could reach out to them with ready-to-use ads. And if they don't leverage paid ads at all, like this business over here, how about you jump in to save the day? Pitch them on a profitable paid advertising schedule and watch them beg to jump on your offer. How cool and easy will that be? Or check out this lead that has a very low social media activity and engagement stat. How about you pitch them on a professional and result-driven social media marketing service? If you were in their shoes, what would your answer be to such an offer? Yes, right? In fact, there's so much you can do with all this data about your prospects. Optimize your offer to fit their need, and once they are sold on the benefits they stand to get, pitch your services and charge them top dollar. It'll be easy peasy. So you see, ClientFinda is exactly what you need to start closing super targeted and pre-qualified leads right now. Just imagine having a way to tell what problem your prospect is facing or what services they need even before approaching them. Remember the saying, sell your customers only what they need and not what you want? This is exactly what ClientFinda helps you do. It doesn't give you a random list of leads that you have to keep chasing to buy your product as most lead scrapers do out there. Instead, it gives you leads that actually need your help, thereby increasing your chances of selling the deal immediately. Now that's what I call laser-targeted buyer leads. Also, over here, you can use the filter option to further narrow down your lead search. This will make your results even more targeted. For instance, with the filter option, I can decide to filter out leads that already have a mobile-optimized website, or filter out businesses that already have a claimed Google My Business listing. This will leave out only those that are yet to be claimed, which are all potential clients ready to be sold on that service. Now, how cool is that? So after filtering and thinning down your search results, you can decide to export them into a CSV file, or better still, add them to your autoresponder account in only a few clicks. And yes, we have all the major autoresponder service providers integrated right inside the ClientFinda app. Nothing beats this, really. Over here, you have the option of running an advanced lead search within the same project. Maybe you decide to target a different niche or a different location. You can decide to go laser-targeted again using the filter option and then add only the qualified leads to your list. I'll tell you right now, if you've been struggling to get a footing online, or you seek to double, triple, or even quadruple your results, then what you actually need are buyer leads, nothing more. And that's exactly what ClientFinda is offering you today. And if you ever bought any app in the past with agency or commercial rights, whether it's a video app, an SEO or search engine ranking app, a social media or content creation app, a website creation app, whatever it is, then ClientFinda is even more perfect for you. Simply find buyer leads using ClientFinda and then sell them needed services you can deliver using those apps. In plain words, ClientFinda is all you now need to start making money off those numerous purchases. Plus, we are giving out some of our premium software apps as launch special bonuses. So once you get access to ClientFinda today, you can start generating buyer leads and use those software bonuses to deliver. Also, you'll get access to a zero-to-profit agency accelerator training program. This training workshop will hold you by the hand and walk you through building your own successful agency business from scratch. Just so you know, we'll be paying attention to nitty-gritty details, so even the freshest newbie can get results. And guess what? That's still not all. For a limited time only, we are including a free commercial license to your ClientFinda purchase. This means you can either use ClientFinda to generate buyer leads for yourself and your business, or you can use it to flag a targeted lead selling agency and charge local businesses top dollar for super targeted leads. Either way, this is a win-win for you. Hurry now to grab your low one-time access today. You've got absolutely nothing to worry about as we are backing this offer with a rock-solid 30 days money-back guarantee. We are saying, get access today. Test drive the app for the next 30 days, and if you aren't blown away by the kind of results you'll get, then we won't be happy to keep your money either. Hurry, now! Lock in your launch special access right away. I can't wait to see you inside the members area. Cheers!